Today we're going to make this table runner. Or at least put it together. I made the actual top the other day. Okay. I'm just going to go in diagonal rows, following these rows on here. Well, that was a little wonky. Let's try this one. I'm going to go a little bit bigger there on this stitching, see how that goes. Oh yeah, I like that much better with the bigger. Okay, now let's do this side over here. And I'm just going down the dark where the leaves are. And just quilting straight along that seam. That one's done, that one's done, this one's done. Now I'm going to do on this side of the line. And right there I went wonky, so I'm going to take that out and do that again. But I'm just going to do all this side of the line and then switch it and do the other side. Now I'm going to go this side all the way down on the other side there. Okay, let's get you up there, right on that corner. Okay, that's all done. Right there I went wonky, so I'm going to take those stitches out and redo that spot. All right, I got it all quilted. Now I'm just going to cut off the extra batting. Right along the edge. You can use scissors or a rotary cutter, whatever you want. I'm going to use the rotary cutter. Right now, I'm just going to trim right at the edge, but then I'll square it up if I need to, which I probably will because that side looks a little longer. But right now, I'm just trimming off this excess. And then there's the back where I quilted. I haven't put the backing on yet. This one I'm just going to do sew all the way around and turn it inside out. Because I didn't have binding that I liked, so I thought, well, I'm not going to use binding. Still trimming off. This I'm going to take and line up and get it straight because it's not quite straight. All right, I'm going to cut this little edge off to square it up. Now this one seems to go right on the line, so that's good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the backing the same size as this, put it on top, and sew all the way around. Okay, this is my backing fabric. And I'm just going to put it on here, clip it all the way around, and leave a spot for turning. And I will meet you over to the machine. There. All right, I'm going to start right here. And I'm just going to follow the batting all the way around and leave a spot for turning. The backing fabric is a little bit bigger, which is fine. Just follow your batting. Oops, we got to back up a little. Oh my God, it started sewing without me. Better start that over. Somebody better pay attention or they're going to get their finger chopped. So I'm just going to go right back where I was. And turn right down this side. All right, we're back to where we started, except I want to leave a gap for turning. Now I'm just going to trim all the way around and then turn it right side out. Okay, I'm just going to stick my hand in, go clear down to the bottom, grab it, and pull it up through. Should have made my hole a little bigger because I got bigger hands. Now I'm just going to go real slow, poke out all the corners. I use a crochet hook little end, but you can use your fingers, whatever you want. I don't use scissors because I've gone through too many times. And that looks like some frayed came out. And you'll check all your seams to make sure everything's done. Clip all your threads. Then you're going to give it a good press, nice and flat. And then where you left that opening, you will just tuck it in, and then you're going to stitch all the way around the Tablerunner. All right, I'm just going to start with that opening. I'm going to do a 3.5 stitch. All right, here's the opening right there. I'm going to start just before that, and I'm just going to top stitch all the way around. And I'm not going to back stitch because when I get to the other side, I'm going to pull the threads to the back and knot them off. Okay, I'm going to pull those threads to the back, but there it is. My Tablerunner with no binding.